So hi guys, if you are looking for Larapush coupon code, you are here at right place. I have especially partnership with Larapush especially for you. So I have given you a special 10% cashback link into the description. So once you click on the link, it will redirect on this page, and here you have to click on buy now button, and you will redirect on this page. Here are two plans, so you have to go with Pro V5 because this is the lifetime purchase, so you have to go with that. And here you have to fill your billing details, and after filling your billing details you have to click on this, and you have to click on complete purchase. After clicking the purchase button, you are redirect onto payment gateway page, and here you have to fill your card details. And once you have complete your payment, you will get 10% cashback from Larapush. So thanks guys.